रूबी
Okay, now
मैम,
mute the mic.
ये जो आपने लिटल लिखा है
रूबी
वो
मैम,
हमें फेयरबुक पे लिखने का है या
Yes,
रीड
you have
करने
to
का है?
write, beta. See, beta, I have
रूबी
explained this
मैम,
before. Yes, beta.
मैम may I speak?
Tell me fast, beta.
मैम what is our class address? और
What
मैम
is your?
means where
Tell me fast, beta. I don't understand what you're saying. What address you're talking about?
हमारी
हम लोग
क्लास टीचर
क्लास
कौन
में
है?
जो टीचर
कुछ समझ में नहीं आता. I really don't understand because 2 or 3 mics are unmute. So everybody
मैम नो
unmute your mic. Only one girl was asking me the question. Please complete your question, beta. Complete your question. Who was asking me? क्या है
नो
address
मैम
about? Okay. So listen now. I don't think that it is a big issue about coming to school. It is very very clear that you all have to come in your school uniform. If you don't have a school uniform or you have given for stitching or alteration, no problem. You can come in a free dress, but wear some decent dress. Don't wear night pajamas and come. Okay. And secondly, don't wear high heels and all that because you have to climb the 5th floor. You know very well. Okay. And for bags, it is maybe you might get the timetable today. If not, at least bring your the 4 subjects you have tomorrow in your online meet. At least those subjects and one rough book. Okay. And and if you don't get the timetable, if you get the timetable, well and good. If you don't get the timetable, use a little common sense that we have whatever tomorrow on the online classes, that plus our rough book. So if you haven't got any other subject book, you can write in the rough book. Is that clear? Then bring your sanitizer and wear a mask. Because if you don't wear a mask, you'll be sent back again. So all of you must wear a mask and bring your small sanitizer. Don't bring big bottles. Okay? So bring your sanitizers and please try to avoid sharing tiffin with everybody. You should share. Actually, it is good. But because we have to be very careful about our health, it is best not to share. If you really want to share, then you can share a little in her. Just take it from your tiffin and put it in her tiffin. That's all. Everybody don't dig your fingers in the food in one tiffin only because you'll be spreading germs. So please do. Now I don't think you have any queries. I've already answered about the dress. I've already answered about the shoes. I've already told about the sanitizer and the mask. And I've also mentioned about the books. Now I think there should not be any doubt. Is there any doubt now?
And then
no मैम
timetable has also come.
What
हमारे
what?
टाइम टेबल भी हमारा आ गया है ग्रुप
Has
में.
it come? If it has come, good. If it hasn't come, then you have to understand. Okay? Yes, what is it?
मैम टाइम
Don't.
टेबल is come in our group.
मैम
That's okay. That's okay. Then you bring
एक्सक्यूज मी
according
मैम
to the. Yes, beta. How many questions you have? Yes, tell me.
मैम which timing
Timing is same timing
बोल
from
दो बस
morning
मैं फटाफट
30 from morning 7:30 to one
मैम
o'clock.
means we have to come 7:30 and go 12:30.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay. If there is any change, Rajita ma'am will send a message. Now all of you all concentrate on this. Okay, now we have learned the formal letter and the informal letter. Why I'm presenting? Because my handwriting is not very good. So you all might have some queries. What is this? So just to make you all understand what my handwriting is about and means how it is, and if you cannot read, it is not legible, then I can just read it out so you will understand better. Now, in the formal letter, yesterday I sent one. Everybody has to write in the English, I'm sorry, in the conversation book, sorry, in the grammar book, sorry, which you can make out of 50 pages book or 100 pages book, small book, because all the long, the theory part like this question, sorry, the essays, the letter writing, the email, the notice writing, all these will be written over there. Okay. So to keep it safe, it's better to write in a notebook properly. Now the letter that I'm sending you, also you have to write in your book neatly so that when you study for the exam it is easy for you. Your
And
now,
ma'am,
yes, beta. Now what is it?
मैम एग्जाम में हमें जो लेटर लिखना है वो फॉर्मल लिखना है या इनफॉर्मल?
You will get both. You have to choose one, I suppose. I'm not sure. You might get any one or two.
तो मैम हमें एड्रेस की जगह अपना एड्रेस लिखना है?
Yes, yes, you have to write your own address.
तो मैम लेटर भी अपना खुद का लिखना पड़ेगा ना?
If you can write, okay. Otherwise, you learn from here what I've given you.
ओके मैम, थैंक यू।
Okay, now please,
मैम
now.
आप जो लेटर करवा रहे हो वही आएगा या फिर दूसरा लेटर आएगा?
If you'll keep quiet, I can answer you, no, beta. You have to learn both the formal and the informal letter that I have sent you. Why? Because there will be less grammatical mistakes. If you write on your own, there'll be a lot of grammatical mistakes and the marks will get cut. Actually, I'm not supposed to give you all, but because this is the first time I'm taking your class, I'm giving it to you so that you will understand how to write the letters. Now you will have to learn both the formal and the informal. Either you might get a choice or you might get any one of them. So you have to prepare both and come. Now I think there should be no doubt. Let me begin with this. Now this is a formal letter, okay? And it is, see, first it is from address. It is Mohammed Zaid. Now you all will not write Mohammed Zaid. You will write your own names. Whether it is Imam, Misha, Ravjani, Muskan, or anybody's, okay? Saima, or whatever. You have to write your name. You have to write your address, that is your number and your apartment, then which area, then you have to write Bhavnagar, you have to write the pin code if possible, Gujarat, and then you have to leave a line. So first write the address. Remember, it is near the margin. If it is away from the margin on the right hand side, I will not give marks. Everything should be in the left side margin. Then after that, from address, you leave a line and write the date. Date, you will not write 31/08-2021. You will write 31st August 2021. Suppose your exam is on 10th or something, then you can write 10th September because that is the present date which you are writing, okay, on that date. So whichever date your date is there, you write that date only. Suppose your exam is on 19th or 15th or 10th or whatever, 11th, then you write 11. Next month is September. So 11 September 2021. Okay. Next is you have to write to. Now to address you have to write to the mayor. Bhavnagar Municipal Corporation near Karanara, Bhavnagar. Okay. Then salutation. That is, it can be sir or it can be madam. So if you know that the mayor is a madam, then you have to write dear madam. Otherwise you write dear sir. Then you have to write the subject. Why have you written this lesson, this letter? Because you want to complain about the polluted water supply. Polluted means, see, sir had given you bad water, something in the area and all that. So the better word is polluted. So you have to write regarding polluted water supply. After the subject, you leave a line. Okay. And then there will be three paragraphs. The first paragraph will be the introduction, the second paragraph will be the body, and the third paragraph will be the conclusion. So you see, I've written in the bracket. Actually, the whole part is called body. So first is introduction, then it is body, and then it is conclusion. So in the introduction, you have to introduce yourself. I am whatever, Insha Fatima, a resident of Shishuvia Circle. Then I beg to draw your attention to the problem. Now see, I have by mistake, I've written off problem twice. Can you see the sentence over there? Can you see, all of y'all? I beg to draw your attention to the problem of, okay, problem of, I have written twice. So by mistake, so you just cut off problem of one of them, okay? The problem of polluted water supply being faced by the residents in our area. That is, if in simple language you want to write, then you can write, I beg to draw attention to the problem of polluted water supply in our area. That's all if you can write to make it simple and easy. If you want to learn this by heart, it is up to you. If you want to write in your own language, you can write in simple and short also. Problem of it means I beg to draw your attention to the problem of polluted water supply in our area. Okay. Next, you move on to the municipality corporation. Now you have to write in details. Now, why you are writing this letter? The municipality corporation water supplied at 6 o'clock in the evening. Everybody gets water supply at some time in the day. Okay, so is not clean and is extremely polluted. So it is not clean. Okay, it's dirty, so, with small particles of dust. You can even say it is stinking. It is smelling. So you can say that the water, the 6 o'clock, sorry, the water supply at the 6 o'clock in the evening is not clean and is extremely polluted, dirty, and stinking. You can add whatever you want, but if you don't want, you learn this by heart. Even after repeated reminders, that is, we have been constantly reminding you about this problem and it is not being solved, that is, it is not being attended by your staff. This water is used for drinking as well as other chores. Chores means not only for drinking but for other work also. Chores means other work, that is bathing, washing, gardening, whatever you. So there are, these are called chores. And there are cases of residents falling sick. That is, residents means the people living in that area. So there are cases, though there are some cases also or that people are falling sick. Then we move on to the conclusion. I request you to please look into the matter and get the work done. So it is my humble request to please look into the matter in very simple words so that we do not face any problem regarding the same. Okay, then you have to. The last is complimentary. It is actually I forgot to write in the bracket just as this body introduction. Yours faithfully is called complimentary. You have to write yours faithfully, then leave two lines, write your name in bracket, and on top of the name, you write signature. Now, if you are writing Muskan, whatever, Ravjani Muskan, then you write your whole name in the bracket and a signature on top. Don't write Mohammed Zaid. Girls will write their own names, boys will write their own names. This is just for an example. All of you all have understood this? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Understood.
Understood.
Okay, so don't forget in the margin I've written from, date, to, salutation, subject, then body, that is introduction, body, and conclusion. And yours faithfully, I forgot to write in the margin, complimentary. Okay, yours faithfully, and last is name and signature. Okay, all of you all got understood. Now I'm going to present the next, that is PDF. Yes, beta. One second, I have to come out of this, then only I can. Sorry, I have to come out of this. Stop presenting. Okay. Now I'll share the next one. Okay. That is the informal one. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Mm. Formal we've shared. Now I'll share the informal one. Okay.
Ma'am, I have informal.
Yes. See, I know Rohan sir has taught you all, but I have a feeling from the letters that I saw, few of the letters that some of you all didn't understand and some of you all didn't write properly. So that's why I wrote for you all and you so that you could understand better. Okay. Now your informal letter, sixth standard. Write a letter to your friend congratulating him or her. That is, it can be a girl or a boy. So you have to write to your friend. Girl on passing with flying colors. That means with good marks. Now I have written the address myself. You can write your own address. 96 Meher Apartment, Sir Patani Road, Meghani Circle, Bhavnagar, Gujarat. Now remember, in this from address is not there. I mean, sorry, from address is there, to address is not there. Because the person you are sending to is a family friend or somebody you know very who's very close to you. So you don't have to send the to address. Okay, so your address, then you have to write 23rd August 2020. Yes, in the formal letter, if you see, I have missed out 31st. ST, I have forgotten to write. So remember, you have to write your this thing, ordinal numbers like first, second, third, fourth. 23rd August 2021. Then again you leave a line and write dear Kusi or Kasim. Now one girl has written both. Actually, you're not supposed to write. I have written this to give you a choice. If you're a girl, you write Kushi. If you're a boy, you write Kasim. You'll understand?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am,
One girl answer. Yes, tell me.
I have written
this only, and ma'am, this letter only I had written Khushi of Khushi.
Okay. So don't write because one girl has sent me Kushi and Kasim, and I had to tell her that only one you have to write. Okay. Again you leave a line and then you have to write. Now this, you have to write this introduction, body, and the conclusion. Okay, the conclusion is here on the left hand side, right hand side. So I'm excited to know that you have topped in the final examinations. It's been a long time since we met. I wish I could congratulate you in person. Okay, your result, now the second, your result has proved how much efforts, hard work, and dedication you have given to your exams. I'm not shocked by the news because I have known you since we were in kindergarten. You have always been sincere and hardworking. I'm sorry I couldn't be there with you at the celebration as I was having my exams then. Okay, then here. Hope to meet you as soon as possible. My parents and grandparents have congratulated you on your success. Then, with lots of love, your lovingly, it can be Aisha, or if the girl, if it's a boy, Ahmed. Okay? Whoever, if you are writing, then you have to write your name. All of you understood?
Okay,
Yes or
ma'am.
no? Okay.
Ma'am,
हाँ बेटा,
ma'am, in online class there is no computer and GK subject. Now offline class there is computer subject is there.
yes, depends, you will get. Of course, you will be getting. But yes, first part of the morning, you will have as it is, having every day. So, have you seen the timetable? What is being sent to
Yes,
you?
ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, ma'am. I
Yes.
have seen my timetable.
Okay. One of you tell me, what do you have tomorrow? Tomorrow is Thursday, right? So,
Science, SS,
Tomorrow is
Gujarati, Maths,
Science, SS, Gujarati,
social
language.
science,
one second. Only one
social
girl is
science.
others mute
Ma'am,
your mic.
can I tell Insha
Can
ma'am?
I say Kulsum? Ma'am, I am
Kulsum, wait.
Science,
Kulsum,
SS,
Gujarati,
Gujarati, English,
everybody
Maths,
hello,
mute your mic.
hello,
Mute,
hello,
mute your
ma'am.
mic.
Can I,
Excuse me,
Kulsum,
Rubina, may I
can
speak next
Mute
time?
your
What is
mic.
timetable?
Mute your mic.
I,
Mute your
hello, ma'am.
mic.
Kulsum,
Mute your
hello,
mic.
ma'am. Can I tell
Mute.
Imam? Can I,
Imam,
Kulsum?
yes.
First
Imam
day
Kulsum is
science,
Huh?
then SS,
Huh?
Gujarati,
Gujarati,
Recess, English, Maths.
English, Maths.
Kulsum, now will you stop? And Insha, please, who is Imam? You are reading, no? Please tell me, when is English? When is English?
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, after recess. Ma'am,
After recess first lecture?
ma'am, Kulsum.
After,
Ma'am, after
oh, okay,
recess,
okay.
it's English.
Okay. I don't want anybody to say. I don't want anybody to say because you are making a lot of noise.
Ma'am, I am sending
Can I look?
No, I want everybody to mute the mics.
Can I
Everybody mute your
Kulsum
mic.
Bhawan? Can I?
Only Kulsum will tell me. Come on, tell me. When is English tomorrow?
Ma'am, English is after recess and Maths.
First,
After recess is English. First English subject is there, then Maths.
okay. Now, please, all of you, bring your English as well as grammar. We'll see what we can do tomorrow. I'm not sure what we are going to do, but I want to take revision of both. So I don't know which I will take. So bring your English book as well as your grammar book and your fair books.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, book or textbook?
I said English textbooks as well as fair books.
Ma'am. And grammar textbook and grammar fair book.
Grammar, English, and fair books, everything, grammar textbook, English textbook, your English and grammar fair books. Who's making that noise? And please don't forget to bring your rough book.
Okay, ma'am. Co- we we have to buy the book of computer, fair book.
Computer, I don't know. You have to ask your computer teacher. Do you have computer tomorrow?
No,
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, chalo. And what is the last lecture? Imam, you tell me which is the last lecture?
math.
Maths. Okay, okay, chalo. Okay, okay. Okay, now, Kulsum.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, chalo, read this letter.
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute.
Hmm.
Yes, ma'am. Now I am reading informal letter.
Rest of it, who's making this noise? Who's making this noise?
Sayyadanayan.
Sayada, please don't make a noise. Kulsum, please read fast.
Informal letter. Write a letter to your friend. Congratulated him her on passing with flying colors. 99, 96. Ma- Mahara
Meher, Meher,
Mahar Pat Mahar Pat
apartment,
appointment
apartment,
Mahar appointed Sir Pla Sir
Patani Road.
Sir Patniran Mahek
Meghani Circle, better read carefully, no? Meghani Circle.
Meghani Circle, Bhavnagar, Gujarat. 23
Hmm.
August
23rd
2021.
August, 23,
23 August
23rd August.
23rd August 2021.
Hmm.
Dear,
Khushi. You have to say Khushi, not Kasim. Okay? Come on.
dear Khushi and Kasim.
Don't have to
I am
write Kasim. Hello? Kasim नहीं
okay.
लिखने का आपको. Only dear Khushi, because a girl will write to a girl and boy will write to a boy.
Okay.
Okay?
I
Hmm.
am excited to know that you have topper
Not
in
toppered.
the
Topped. It's topped, not toppered. Topped.
topped topped in final expel. It's mean a long time as nice we meet. I wish I could congratulate in person.
You in
Your
person. I forgot to write you. See, congratulate you. I've forgotten to write you. Congratulate you in
congratulate
person.
in person.
You in person, huh?
Yes, your result have proud how much effort,
Proud is not
hard
proud, it's
work,
proved. Khushbu, sorry. Beta, it is proved, not proud.
prove,
Come on.
prove how
Hmm.
much effort, hard
Effort.
work, hard
Beta,
work,
efforts.
efforts, hard work, and distracted you
No,
have
read carefully. Read carefully. Dedication.
dedication you have given be your exam.
No,
I am not
hello.
sure.
मैम
Khush,
उसने ना you have give read किया, you have given आता.
that's what I'm saying. To your exam. You have given to your exam. B नहीं है बेटा. ध्यान से तो पढ़ो बेटा.
To
See, it is
your exam. To your exam. I am not
not
shocked by the
news.
news
News.
news because I have known you as nice.
See. Afterwards, you get a chance, beta.
मैम कहना इंशिया.
No, Isha. No, no, Isha. Doesn't matter.
We
No, no, Khushbu is reading. No, let her read. Since it's not science. Since.
since we kin- we were
Hmm.
kindergarten
In kindergarten.
You have also been
Always been. ध्यान से पढ़ो ना बेटा.
always been
Sincere and hardworking.
sincere and hardworking. I am sorry. I couldn't be there with you the celebrated party as I too.
बेटा ठीक से खुशबू. At the celebration party. At the celebration party.
Celebration party at I told was having my exam then. My exam then. Hope to meet you as soon as problem. My parents and grandparents have
It is not problem. As soon as possible.
as soon as possible. My parents and my grandmother have
Have
congratulated you,
you.
मैम when
you,
I have
your
grandparents grandmother read कर रहे हैं.
ma'am grandparents
Congratulated
is
you in your
letter
success. In your success.
in
Ma'am,
your
can I read?
in
Ma'am,
in
now
your
can I?
success,
Ma'am, can I
which
read?
a
Ma'am, can I
lot
read?
Ma'am, can I
which
read Inshia?
No, I will no.
which a lot of a love, yours and lovely,
Yours lovingly, Aisha, not Ahmad. Okay,
yours lovely Aisha.
Ma'am, can
that's
I
all.
read Mehreen?
Ma'am, can I read
Ma'am,
Inshia?
can I read Alvina
No,
Kholia?
no, 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 no.
Mehreen.
Please,
Inshia
everybody,
कभी read करने का chance नहीं मिला
Excuse,
Inshia.
who is that? Who is that? Saying कभी read करने का chance नहीं मिला.
excuse me.
Ma'am, I Inshia.
Insha, okay, Insha read.
Be
Okay,
there.
ma'am. Informal. मैम इन सबको बोलो ना माइक
Ma'am, my
म्यूट
turn.
करे बहुत आवाज.
Everybody mute your mics. बेटा जल्दी करो. Time is up now.
Okay, ma'am. Informal letter. Write a letter to your friend congratulating him or her on passing with flying colors. From
Ma'am, my
96 Meher Apartment, Sir,
Please mute your mic.
Sir Patani Road,
Yes,
Meghani Circle, Bhavnagar, Gujarat, 23rd August 2021. Dear Khushi, I am excited to know that you have topped in final examination. It's been a long time since we meet. I wish I could congratulate you
we
in
met.
person. Your result has proved how much efforts, hard work, and dedications you have given to exams. I am not shocked by the news because I have known you since we were in kindergarten. You have always been sincere and hardworking. I am sorry I couldn't be there with you at celebration party as I too was having my
Dead.
exams. Then
Huh.
then hope to meet you as soon as possible. My parents and grandparents have congratulated you on your success. With lots of love, your lovingly Aisha.
Okay. Thank you, better. Now I don't want anyone to read because
Welcome,
you're
ma'am.
all.
I want to read
Thank you.
Mehreen. Hello, ma'am.
Merin, please.
In grammar and
One
math
second.
also, ma'am. My turn is not come.
I don't know where is it gone now. One second. Where is it gone? Let me check.
Ma'am,
Okay.
I want to. Ma'am, can I talk to
Please,
you?
beta, please, please, please,
मैम
please.
ये लोग एक बात में नहीं समझते.
All of will be quiet. Now, see, if this is what's going to happen in class tomorrow, then I'll just tell you to leave the class. Here, I cannot do anything, you know. So, please, all of you all are, I know that you are enthusiastic to read this, you want to read it, but see the time, it is already 10:54. So, before that, I just want to give the instructions. I have asked whomever asked today to send me the PDF, whoever asked, Fatima Zahra. Fatima Zahra. Oh, huh?
Ma'am,
Not Imam.
Imam.
Imam, full name is Fatima Zahra.
No, ma'am. Iman Fatima.
So who's going to send me? Somebody we decided no will send something to everything to me.
Yeah, ma'am. I had only tell you. Iman. I had only tell you Iman Fatima.
With the answers. You remember with the answers.
Yes, ma'am. I had only tell and I show also.
Okay. So you have to send me all the lessons as I told you, no, of the grammar lessons.
Yes, ma'am.
As you remember, no, please send it to me. So don't forget, as soon as you send it to me, I will send it in the group. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, please can
Thank
I
you.
read Iman, ma'am? My turn has not come.
Beta, it is already 55 now.
Oh.
Okay. So we will continue tomorrow. We'll meet tomorrow. Aren't you all excited to meet tomorrow, all of y'all? You
Yeah,
are going to
ma'am.
come
Of
to
course.
school after a long time.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
You are going to meet all of us tomorrow. And all of
I
y'all,
love friends. I love teachers.
yes, take your precautions, okay? Take your precautions. And Kulsum is saying, I've improved my English. Kulsum is saying, you have improved. Who's Kulsum?
Ma'am,
You told me I'm not.
ma'am,